Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Tyler, Texas, where we just completed a retaining wall and section. The main area that we were concerned about is this area was washing out because it fall down the hill too fast. So we had to excavate all of it, remove the tree, and tie the downspouts to make sure all the water that was coming from the upper yard would not wash out here and up against the basement and water come inside. That wall has been waterproofed and sealed. We built the facade to make sure that the water doesn't fall dramatically this way because there's at least 8 external lines of drainage pipes that are coming through. You can see one just a little bit. We left where we could actually see it on the video so we could show you where all the lines are running all the way through and down the wall, and they're running towards the lake. And the upper area here from the street washes towards the house. So as you can see, we took the brick and made it into a foundation and then sealed it. And now it looks like it's part of the area that we just built up. And you can see the trim work had right here. You'll see that some of them had broken. So we elevated them and filled those areas, built a footer below it, then raised the existing material, and then tied all the individual downspouts into individual drainage systems. Because there's at least 5 individual downspouts. And now the water will stop washing towards the house and to the corner of the house. So now that we've got it completed, we can call it a day.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.